Alright, so this is tool report one, and I chose to do Canva, which is a design tool. It's free online. It's pretty interactive software that provides many templates for you, such as for e-blog or for blogging, ebooks, documents, social media posts, photo collages, just a lot of different things. And I'll click on a photo collage and start here. So I already uploaded a couple pictures, and it's easy as just drag them into your workspace. I'm a pretty big Falcons and Dogs fan, so this is them winning SEC championship and NFC championship. Yeah, so just kind of drag them on here. You can go click background, change it to something that makes the pictures pop out more. Pull over a text template. And up here are some elements, which include shapes, icons, illustrations. You can grab one of these illustrations here. Kind of look like clip art from Microsoft Word. So yeah, it's just as easy as that to create a little graphic. Nice little project here. So I really do like how easy it is to maneuver through this and how it's free, well mostly. Kind of sucks that some of these options are cost money, like these backgrounds over here. They look pretty dope. But besides that, I would definitely recommend this to anybody who has to do a project and wants to do it in a relatively easy way, or if you're just a creative person that is looking for unique ways to get your ideas out there. So yeah, Canva is really good. Definitely recommend you go out there and try it. I will probably use this during my internship this summer, since I'll probably have to make business cards or flyers or for events or something. So yeah, this is definitely going to be useful to me, and it is useful to a lot of people for a lot of different things. So yeah, go check out Canva.